Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
All right, good morning, guys. This is Calico the Truth Reviews, and me and Wifey, we are up, and Adam, and we are ready to go to the Apple Store at Cumberland Mall. So today is iPhone Day. Just decided to go ahead and shoot a quick little vlog for you guys. Hopefully you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we're running a little bit behind, so let's go. So me and the wife, we are at Cumberland Mall now. We're about to get ready to go ahead on the inside and go see if we can get in here and actually go see what's going on with this iPhone launch, all right? So see y'all in a bit. Okay, that's a regular 17. This is the Air. '17 Pro Max. I don't know how I feel about that silver. I don't know how to feel about that cosmic orange. Deep blue.
Did it say it was ready?
The Air and the regular 17.
But they said in line, since you guys were waiting on one of the
See how thin that thing is?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
The iPhone Air?
It's pretty, but it don't even feel real.
It doesn't feel real, like literally due to it being so small.
I don't think it's updated. Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, wow. It's a pretty display, though, to be so slim.
It's got that true tone turned on. Now
And it goes up to 3,000 nits, so it should be incredibly bright.
I just turned it all the way up.
Yeah, that should be pretty crazy, y'all. But okay, so I guess we got our devices. All right, y'all, and just like that, bag secured, me and Bay. So we're gonna go home and actually unbox these things, and then we will check in with y'all on the unboxing, all right? So until then, this was just a quick little mini vlog, I guess, as you can say, but I didn't really film anything, really. I just kind of just snapped a few little flicks here and there. You know, it's all good, so we ain't tripping. We just gonna do what we do, y'all. Yeah, it's time to get home. Did I? I think I might have parked over there. Oh yeah, I think we were. I think I did park over here, but either way it go, guys, see y'all at the crib. What's up, everybody? Calico the Truth Reviews, and I'm back in the building with another video. And today I got the wife with me, and today we got two brand new iPhone devices we just picked up from the Apple Store here in Atlanta, Georgia at Cumberland Mall, all right? So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and unbox these new devices for you guys, show you guys what are the new improvements so far. Matter of fact, let's talk about a few little specs before we get into it. These processors are the new A19 Pro chip. Also, it is 3,000 nits, up from 1,000 nits last year, which was 2,000 nits. And then we're also getting that new selfie camera, which is 18 megapixels. I think it's running iOS 26. Anything else I missed, babe?
I think so.
Also, it's a new design this year. Of course, they're going with aluminum, so no more titanium. I'm gonna miss titanium. They're saying that they got a new vapor chamber cooling system on the inside to help with performance and overheating. So we're gonna actually test these devices out, see what they're worth, and just go from there. And I'm gonna have wifey probably do the honors, and while I hold the camera and she unboxes her device first, then I'll have her go back and unbox my device for me. All right, so let's go ahead and get that started for y'all. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. Wifey, of course, here. She's going to go ahead and start with which either device. Go ahead and pick, babe. Pick whichever one. Okay, so we're gonna go with my iPhone, which is the deep blue color, iPhone 17 Pro Max here. It is a 512 gigabyte variant that I did choose. All right, and as you see on the side, it has iPhone on the side with the color of the deep blue. And then has some branding of iPhone on the side there. And then on the top, it just has the Apple logo on the top bay. Yep. All right, so this is the 512 gigabyte variant here. And wifey is going to unbox it for us here. All right. First time looking at the deep blue color. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, that's a beautiful color. It's better than that cosmic orange color, I would say, definitely. It is a very nice color. Very, a dark, look like maybe like a dark navy blue, almost. All right, and then, yeah, what else comes in the box, babe?
Braided Type-C cable.
Braided Type-C cable.
And then you have...
some iPhone, you don't really get the stickers anymore, so you just
Oh, they don't give stickers?
Yeah, I guess those are the days of the past.
I never used the stickers, but now I want it.
Yeah. And then, all right, and I guess we'll put that to the side there. Let's go ahead and unbox her 17 Pro Max in silver. As you see, silver on the phone, iPhone. Silver there. Some silver branding. And which one is this? A 256 gigabyte variant, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Okay. Pull that up there. Oh wow, yeah, that is beautiful. That silver color is really dope, y'all. That is a very dope color. All right. Yep, and the same thing goes for everything that's included in the box. But yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing looks like, right?
Yeah, as soon as we turn them on, they're gonna activate, right?
I think so.
Well, no, we didn't upgrade to Verizon. We might have to do some stuff to activate them.
We might have to, but it's nice that they put little indentations on the little paper slip here where it shows your silent switch, your up and down, plus and up and down volumes,
Yeah.
power, and then your camera. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. Let's go and take it off. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. Oh yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and power them on here in just a sec. 1, 2, 3. First boot up, the iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Here we go.
Yep, and there we are. Also, we want to get a few little size comparisons, or what you think? All right, we're gonna get a few little size comparisons, y'all. Let's that just for fun, we're gonna do the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra here.
On the 16, it has 6 on one side, 4 on the other.
Okay, you talking
gotta be
about
all in my face,
like
just-
grills?
The speaker grill. See, it was 6 on this side, 4 on this side. Now it's even with the speakers. So it's got more speakers.
Okay, okay. All right, and what about the size and the width and everything? I know it's 6.9 inches.
I don't
So-
know. This one feels like it's slightly wider, but
Does it? What about the heft? They say it's a little bit heavier. Is it?
maybe just slightly. It doesn't feel as, even with this, it doesn't feel as top heavy as this phone though.
All right, and then let's get the Galaxy S25 Ultra right here. See if we can put that up against the device there. Well, like maybe the Galaxy, maybe just a little bit taller.
Definitely.
Might be a little bit taller.
Just slightly.
Yeah, just slightly.
Is this phone blue too? Or
No,
is
it's
it
black. It's black. It's that new jet black color that was an exclusive.
It don't look that far off from this blue though.
Yeah, it don't definitely look too far from the blue. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty dope. All right, guys, so that was the quick unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And then also, man, like, we didn't really like the fact that they had the cosmic orange color at the store. It didn't really look all that appealing to me. It was just looking more like a traffic cone, like what Bay said. You know those construction cones, the orange cones. Is that
Very orange.
is that hideous for me. But don't get me wrong, not trying to knock people who like it. You know, do it at your own discretion. But me personally, they're coming out this year with a plateau and a dynamic island. I'm like, what next? A peninsula, a Grand Canyon? I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. But anyway, thank you to everyone who has stopped by to show love. This has been your man Calico, the Truth Reviews. And if you did like this video, drop me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. All right? Remember, you can say what you want to say. And to my haters, do what you want to do. But that still ain't going to change my point of view. This is Calico, the Truth Reviews. Peace.